Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online classes. I'm your social studies teacher. As previously, we have started the topic helping others. And we have read about Abdul Star Idi, that he was very kind man. He helped poor and sick people. He was humanitarian. And we have learned that if we share, everyone has enough. And we have also learned that if we have to share our things with others, with our friends, with our sisters, brothers. Today we are going to learn that helping others and sharing makes us feel happy. What would make you really happy? What would make you really happy? Please tell me. Yes, we can only be really happy when we share what we have with others. Yes, I'm going to repeat it again. We can only be really happy when we share what we have with others. Now, today we will read a story, the story of the long handled spoons. Open your textbooks, page number 76. Yes, here we started. Once there was a man who went high up into the mountains to see a wise old woman. Why a man went high up? I hope you also think this. How can I be happy? He asked the wise old woman. Come with me, she said. She took him to two doors. She opened the first door. What do you think will happen next? The man saw a room full of thin, sad people. They were sitting at a table with a huge pot of soup. It smelled lovely. I hope you also like soup. Okay. Each person held a spoon, but there was a problem. Each spoon was 1 meter long. Oops. Imagine 1 meter long. It is impossible to eat with 1 meter long stick. We can't eat from 1 meter long stick. It's so long. Okay. Then they tried hard, but they could not eat a drop of soup. You can see in the picture also. All people are thin and they are trying. Of course, the spoons are so long, 1 meter. It's too much. We cannot eat from 1 meter long spoon. But you can imagine a lovely smell of soup. They are trying to eat. They are looking very thin and they are looking very sad because they have soup. Soup is not a problem. They have a soup, but they cannot eat it. The wise old woman shut the first door and opened the second door. What do you think will happen next? Yes. Okay, we will read it. The man saw a room full of healthy, happy people. They were sitting at a table with a huge pot of soup. It smelled lovely. Yummy. Each person held a spoon 1 meter long. The same problem. We have already read in the last first door that they have 1 meter long spoon, but they were very thin and unhappy. But in the second room, all people are happy and healthy. They also have same things, 1 meter long spoon and a soup, a pot of soup. Okay, we will read it further. Each person held a spoon 1 meter long. They were feeding each other. Yes, this is the thing. They were feeding each other. Now you know how to be happy, said the wise old woman. Yes. Now look at the first room. All people are thin and unhappy. They cannot eat the soup. And look at the second room. All people are happy and healthy because they are feeding each other. They are sharing. So it is so important that we have to share our things and then we will feel happy. What is the moral of this story? Do you know what is moral? Moral of a story is what we learn from it. Now please tell me what you have learned from this story. It's so easy that if we will share our things, we will feel happy. Or you can also say, helping others and sharing makes us feel happy. Okay, now look at here, page number 79. Write 4 sentences in your notebook about the moral of the story. So we have two lines here. If we share, if we don't share. And we have 4 sentences. Now we will join it. If we share, some people are very poor. Do you think it will right? No, this is not right. If we share, everyone has enough to eat. Yes, you can write this sentence. If we share, everyone has enough to eat. If we share, we feel happy. You can also write it. If we share, we feel happy. If we share, we do not feel happy. No, this is wrong. If we share, we feel happy. Now look at the next. If we do not share, if we don't share, some people are very poor. Yes, you will write this sentence. If we don't share, some people are very poor. And you can also write this. If we don't share, we do not feel happy. Yes, these 4 sentences you can write. Now this is your homework. I'm going to repeat it again. If we share, everyone has enough to eat. If we share, we feel happy. If we don't share, some people are very poor. If we don't share, we do not feel happy. I hope you understand and I hope you have enjoyed this story and I hope you have learned this message that helping others and sharing makes us feel happy. Thank you.